Now we take a look at our timeline. What we are trying to do with this timeline is establish these events, not just in the right order, but identify their importance. So, why does Dahl feel like these are the important events that he wants to share with you, the reader? So, at each moment in the story, we want to make sure that our importance for understanding it, the importance that Dahl is communicating, that's coming through in the emotions that he is showing you he is feeling. So each of those moments in the timeline has a specific emotion based on his actions, his interactions with his friends, with Miss Pratchett, with Mr. Coombs, all that kind of stuff. So remember what's happening in the Great Mouse Plot and look at your response to see how Dahl feels in that moment. And write a sentence that explains how you know that Dahl feels this way. Remember, that was your original writing prompt. So you should have evidence that shows how you know that Dahl felt this way. On card 2, you're doing the same thing, but you're looking back at Mr. Coombs. How do you know how Dahl felt in that moment? What evidence do you have? Same thing with this next section of Mr. Coombs. And then, in Mrs. Pratchett's Revenge, you are going to do what you've done before. Pick one of these emotions, or if there's another one that pops in your head, you can use that too. And you're going to write a sentence using this sentence stem. I think Dahl feels one of those emotions because, and then you explain and provide text evidence with the correct punctuation for quotation marks, periods, commas, all that kind of stuff.